Hello, the gents traders. Martin Szreter, 22nd of January. Let's have a look what's happening to Bitcoin price, Ethereum, and on cryptocurrency market. I'm in the jacket because it's fucking cold here. I'm in Switzerland, so don't ask me why. I mean, just cold. Anyway, so in terms of the timing, nothing changed. It's a fucking boring analysis, but that's exactly how it looks every day. In terms of the liquidations, 1 hour we are liquidating shorters, 4 hours longers, 12 hours mix, 24 hours mix, more longers. What I want to say is that the liquidation looks exactly like a price of Bitcoin. It's dropping. Drop means you go from the up to the bottom, the up to bottom. There's nothing you can do. We are not, as a humans, don't trading this shit. Bots are trading it. What you can do is just to position yourself and wait for the breakout. And according to the analysis, breakout means it should go up. But before that, I want to show you that, just an example, the largest single liquidation happened on BitMEX for XBT, almost $5 million US dollars, guys, 5 millions. Do you imagine to lose this amount of money just before the bull run? That's just crazy. Who is trading this? Cannot believe, really. But that's how it is. This is how the chart looks like. So for the last 4 hours, actually, longers get wrecked because everyone has a FOMO, really, especially after Trump. This is how chart looks like. Yeah, we are liquidating more longers than shorters. Even if shorters get liquidated, they are not that much as longers. So market is on FOMO mode. But even look actually back. Looks like market in general is always in the FOMO. There is a feeling of missing out, so that's why market makers always try to make some shorts, because that just makes sense. The people are too optimistic, me including. So yeah, nice to. I really need to go. We need to review it every fucking day just to make sure we understand it very well. So yeah, liquidations real time are also interesting, like Solana, this kind of stuff. But okay, the last point which we make interesting, it's always about Binance in terms of the impact as a one number. Then OKX, Bybit, those three exchanges are 90% of volume everywhere. All others are minor. So yeah, big guys. Anyway, now let's go to the next one. When we go see the price of Bitcoin on the Waze orders, if I zoom out to 4 hour chart, we see a buy rather than sell, and that makes sense, right? So I think this is really the support. Basically, the market makers, everything, they are supporting 100k. The price may not never drop again below 100k, and then just pump it to 120 and others. There is a lot of buy ongoing. Microseller, the company, countries, everyone is buying Bitcoin. This looks like a low, which may never come back again in the future. You may never buy again Bitcoin at these levels, but yeah, don't panic and don't make FOMO, because as you see, still the FOMO guys are actually get liquidated most of the time. So that's what the market makers are doing. They love to liquidate the future over leverage guys. So, but this is how it looks like. It looks like a buy, not a sell, okay, at this kind of price. And that absolutely makes sense. We know where the price is. So for ETH, the situation looks the same. I mean, this chart will not tell you this, but, we as traders also need to have some brain. And, the price could still go to 2,900, but I don't believe it will go, really. I think that was the manipulation, and the real bottom is here, 3,200. That's the real natural bottom, because there is a lot of money coming to crypto overall. Ethereum also gets it, so Trump will pump it like a hell. My next target is 5k, which would give the all-time high. This chart we cannot see for price action, but I will show in a second. These parameters I will not discuss for today. Liquidation heat map, we have liquidation everywhere, below and above us, and that's usually like this. That doesn't matter. Market makers do what they want. In terms of the funding rate heat map, we are green. Really, since December, again, we are green. And RSI oversold, overbought. We have many diligence which are weak. Sorry, guys. But if you actually zoom out to 1 week, there is a much more weak and oversold than on the 4 hours chart. In any case, this is a good indication where you can actually spot some good trades. With some is weak, it can stay weak forever. It doesn't mean you have to long it. But some guys like Sonic, or there are some good things which also sometimes just are oversold. So I recommend to review it. When we compare Bitcoin to Big Four, which means US 500, 100, and ETH, looks like ETH is performing the worst, Bitcoin second, and then US 100, 500, and 100 are pumping. And that's usually what actually happens, is that these are pumping first and these are the next. Ethereum is always the last one. So indicating what's happening here, we can predict what happened there, because the money from here will flow here. So yeah, I think if we pump like a hell, next target we go all-time high. Next month, 2, 3, we don't have to rush. But I think once it can pump very quick. For others, it looks like they found the bottom, 330. I don't think we see the prices below the level. Maybe even any time in the future, to be honest, because there was a lot of volume coming, a lot of new coins to the market. So yeah, that's the reason why also the money is taken from the old to the new coins, the market cap. So there is limited amount of money, and that's how it looks like. Bitcoin compared to gold ETF, I think change. We are just the beginning. Keep buying, forget. RSI looks just amazing. This chart I will come blackhead, it's just a bit funny chart, but actually it's quite interesting too. If looks shit, the more shit looks, the better. The more interesting it is. Look, we are, I think, here really October 2020. Look what happened next. It will be Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb. 1 year. Do you agree? Oops, sorry. 1 year of climbing. What does it mean? Does it mean that it need to go to 100k? No, but to 12, it could easily. 4 times, right, of the price. Here it went from 400 to 4,000, which is 10 times. You don't have to do 10 times. You can do it 4 times. 3 is still a decent amount of money. Sorry, guys, but I am exhausted. It's my last video today. So, yeah, Ethereum to Bitcoin looks how it looks. It looks shit, and the more shitty it looks, the better to buy it now. If you want to make futures on the long, when you should do it here? No, it's better to start position yourself here. But yeah, be careful. But that's how it looks like. Bitcoin dominance turned to green, the monthly candle, but we saw it already a few times, okay? We are at the resistance. Can we break higher? I think we can, actually. There is a lot of money. There are always some changes, the third cycle. So what happens if we break higher? It can happen, but for now we see the rejection. So if it rejects and dump, it will be the decent dump, and then altcoins will basically pump like a hell. So if we compare others to Bitcoin, this is where we are, and others to ETH, this is where we are. In any case, we look very good, like we are absolutely at the bottom. At the same time, the big four are exploding. I mean, XRP and Solana going crazy. And alt season stays at 50. It looks like it want to bounce very quickly. Bitcoin cycle lows. We are exactly like at the low and start climbing since a week really. So it looks very good. Glassnode the same. From rainbow we just want to go to orange at least, which is 200, 300k. Absolutely achievable. Bitcoin in ETF inflows. We have just last few days only inflows, so that's very good. Bitcoin good trends, the same as price up, trends up. Ethereum return as always negative, but once start to green, turns very quickly. You will not catch it, so catch it now before it goes higher. Bitcoin number 7 worldwide, chasing Alphabet and Amazon. We'll flip it very soon. Are we in the top? No. Here is the 𝐒𝐭𝐚𝐲, very nice indications. Are we in the top or not? They are putting all parameters which are critical to see if we are there or not, and according to them we are holding 100%, nothing to sell. I agree, that's what is exactly showing to me as well. So yeah, all the rest is not loading, but it looks just positive. So guys, that's everything for today. Talk to you tomorrow.